Hello students, this is your teacher Ms. Halima. Today we're going to continue working on our PowerPoint presentations, and what we're going to do today is we're going to add information about the animal we are researching, the animal we are creating a presentation for, which is supposed to be our favorite animal. So first thing I need to do is I need to go to the desktop and look for my presentation, the one that I created last week. If I did this right, I should be able to find it. Mine is right here. I'm going to click on it 2 times to start my presentation. So last week we created 2 slides. Our first slide has the name of our animal, which is the title of our presentation, and it has my name. The second slide I created so far only has a picture of the animal I'm working on. Now the next step today, I need to add some content here. So I'm going to go to my taskbar, which is down below here, and I'm going to click on Google Chrome to start google.com. I am going to search for a website called a-z-animals.com. Okay, so here's the website where we will be researching for information. My animal is ladybug, so I'm going to go to the search bar up there and I will write ladybug. I will click search, and here is some information that I can find about ladybugs, which are officially called ladybirds. I'm going to click on that, and here is a lot of information. There are some pictures and there is information about ladybugs. Now I'm going to read through the information and choose what I would like to mention in my presentation. The first paragraph, which gives me some general information about ladybugs, and it tells me how many different species I can find in the world, looks like a good piece of information. So I'm going to select this paragraph, and to do that, I'm going to go at the beginning of the paragraph. I'll click and drag my mouse. Once I have selected the whole paragraph, I'll go to the keyboard. I'll hold down the Control key and the C key to copy this. Now I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to click here where it says click to add text. And in my keyboard, I'll hold down the Control key and the V key to paste that information. It seems like this is some general information on ladybugs, so I'm going to give that title General Information. Okay, so here's my second slide. Now I can add a third slide to my presentation, and the way we did it before, I'm going to go to the Home tab. I'll click on New Slide. I can choose a different one, and I think this time I am going to go for this one, title and content. So here where it says click to add text, I need to add some more information about my ladybugs. I can go back to Google and I am looking for some more information that I would like to mention. And I think I like ladybirds are small-sized insects. So here we're talking about their size. I am going to copy this paragraph. Again, I'm going to scroll over it to select it. I'll click Control C on my keyboard, those 2 keys together. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint presentation. I'll click here, and on my keyboard, I'll click Control V to paste it. And since I'm talking about the size of ladybugs, my title here can be size. So I have created a third slide with some more information. If I want to bring more pictures in this slide, I can bring more pictures. I can go to Insert, Online Pictures, just like we did before. Search for another picture of a ladybug. And I will try to see if I can use this one. I will select it, click Insert. It looks like it won't let me use that one, so I'm going to cancel. And Maybe it will let me use this one. Let me try this one. Nope, not that one either. Oh no, I don't want the information. Okay, it doesn't matter. I will just deal with one picture only at this point. Okay, you can create as many slides as you want and add as much information as you would like on your ladybugs, on your animals. Mine is the ladybug. This is so far what we're going to do today, and now it is your turn to give it a try.